Welcome back, it's day 10 and today we are going to make a makeup setting spray. Alright, so first thing I'm doing is I am pouring in some water in this container here that I'm going to heat up so that I can add some rose. And you see this thing right here, I love this thing, it is heat up so fast, super fast. Now I am pouring in the rose petals. There's some dry rose petals that I have here, and that's what I'm going to use for this. So I just basically let that simmer until I notice the rose petals starting to lose color, so I turn off the heat. At this point, I just have to continue to soak up in that water. So now I'm going to strain out the rose water. Okay, so but I'm not going to use all of this rose water in my face spray. I'll be using some of the DIY spray, which will be in the next video. Wink wink. Anyways, so strain out some of that and set it aside. Get my scale, because we're going to need to measure out how much of the rose water we are using, because I'm sorry, I am not one of those people who wear makeup all the time for the spray to be finishing within a week time. Okay, so I need some preservative in this, so I set aside, I make sure I measure it out, and I'm also adding some glycerine to it. So this is me adding the glycerine, because the glycerine is what helps keep the makeup on your skin, right? I'm also adding some rose extract, because I like to be extra, okay? And then I'm adding some DL-Panthenoln, because my skin, I don't know, it is dry sometimes these days and I like to look hydrated, so I also add some DL-Panthenoln to that mix. So right now the mix is still warm, I'm just going to set it aside, let it cool down, and when it cool down, which is this clip here now, I'm adding some liquid Germall Plus preservative, and this is the finished product. This is what we are working with. This is what it's looking like, right? I spray some on my face so you can see what it looks like on my bare face, and this is it with makeup.